factory of 270. So 270, it can be written as 2 times 135. 2 times 135 mean 270. So 135, it can be written as 3 times 45. 3 times 45 mean 135. 45, it can be written as 3 times 15. 3 times 15 mean 45. Now 15, it can be written as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 mean 15. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 3, 3 and 5. So we can write 270 is equal to the product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.